Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and my name is Phyllis. What you're looking at here is my daughter's living room, and I'm focusing on the fireplace wall. I'm going to create a grid accent wall, and this video was taken, I think it was back in September, I'm sorry. It is not important of when it was taken, but I remember September because the picture on the front door and this was around my granddaughter's birthday weekend. But I'm going to make this an accent wall, and what you'll see coming up right after this clip is how the furniture arranged. That was the video from the summer of 2021. She likes the way the furniture is set up here, so I just put this picture in here as a reminder to me to set it up after I do the grid wall. You're going to listen to this video and hear what I recorded back in October. If some of y'all remember, I shared a video. I posted a video on my Facebook page about a month ago showing how I am redoing my daughter Leadrian's living room wall. Those were the inspiration pictures, and here is the wall where I laid out the foam board, and the dark gray is the contact paper that it's covered with. Here comes a clip showing how I did that. I just wanted to share this quick video with you all to let you see how far I have come with it. I'm at a standstill now because I have to order some more foam board and contact paper. But this will be uploaded onto my YouTube channel, not until December because of other things that I have to do between now and then. So I hope you all enjoy this and get some inspiration. And for those that are in apartments and want high-end looks, these are some things that you can do that are not permanent and that are very cost effective. Thank you for watching. Okay, here is half of the wall that I completed back in October, and just for the benefit of this video, if it's seen later on in the future, this is year 2021, and I couldn't finish it because I ran out of contact paper. Now I'm showing this because this is the look that I wanted to have, this 3D effect, but I would need more contact paper and more foam board. Now the foam board I ordered from Amazon, and it's thicker, much thicker than what you would get from the Dollar Tree. Now I'm showing these two accent walls because, of course, this is two different colors. Her wall being a light gray, and then the contact paper being a dark gray. And I didn't know if that would look good because I initially wanted it all to look like that first picture I showed you where all of it is the same color. But after finding on Pinterest two walls that were different in the accent colors, it looked good to me, so I left it as is. Now I do have another idea for when I do the 3D effect, to put black on top of the gray and to just make it different. And coming up now is the entire completed wall from top to bottom. Thank you so much for watching JRC Restoration, Decor, and Designs. And remember, the distance between your dreams and reality is called action. So until next time, make it a blessed and productive day, everyone. Bye-bye.